Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be making a stock analysis of Rezolve AI. So if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, remember this isn't financial advice. This is pure for entertainment and educational purposes. Now, as you're going to notice first is this graph is very small, and that is because it's a relatively new company. As you can see, it was first publicly traded in 2021. And you're also going to notice ever since then, it hasn't been doing that great. As you can see, it really rose quite early and then it fell down, which means you might want to be a bit careful with a stock like this because everyone who bought before this point, which is quite a lot, is sitting with a loss. So of course, all of these are sitting with a win and all of these, but overall, a lot of people are sitting with a loss on it, which means you need to be careful because then if someone lost faith in the stock, they might think once it decreases perfect, I'm just going to get out. So that is something to be wary of, as sometimes when this happens, we see once it rises nicely, we see huge drop-offs, not because the underlying case is worse, but simply because people think, great, I want to get out because I lost too much money for too long. Now, as you can see down here, the market cap of this stock is quite small. As you can see, $667 million, and it's really not that big of a company. It's in the Russell 2000 index, and the beta in this company is actually relatively good. It has a beta of 0.88, which means it's less volatile than the index it lies in. Now, what would they do? As you can see right here, they're in packaged software, and they make checkout and e-commerce platforms for other companies, and they just made a $9.8 million annual deal with the Mexican company Liverpool. And by Liverpool, I mean this Liverpool, not the English football team, but the Mexican top retailer that reminds a lot like Amazon. As you can see here, they have a lot of different categories. I don't speak Spanish, so I really don't know what I'm looking for here. Let's just take this, whatever that is. That is coffee stuff, so of course they have this, and let's see if we can find something else just to show you what they make. And electronica, that gotta be electronics, as you can see here, of course, then laptops, we know this one. So as you can see, they make all different kind of stuff. So it is a retailer, and it is the largest one in Mexico. So it is quite nice to see that they had this, and their product is product discovery, which means when you search something up here, it gets better results, and when you do checkout, it is better checkout experience. So that is what they do. Now, with that in place, let's look at the financials of the company. As you can see here, it's not really that great. And of course, that is because it requires quite a lot of money to build a company like this. So last year, it was quite poor. As you can see, they did make a little money, but not really anything important yet. As you can see, they had a net income of minus $172 million. Of course, be careful. Now, they do have a deal, so they have income now, but it's not going to be that much. It's probably still going to be less than what they spend. Now, the performance of this stock, as you can see from 2021, it's quite interesting. As you can see, we have 2 years with quite poor performance and 3 years with quite poor performance also, but not negative performance. So overall, be a bit careful with it. I am actually considering buying into it myself because now that they have a proper deal and once they have a case study, they can present it to other companies as well, which means chances are they're going to increase. And I do think that AI is going to be really helpful for product discovery and checkout. So this is a good opportunity for that, and it's also a pure AI play, which means they only focus on AI. Now, the technicals on this stock for the day is a buy, and for the month, however, it is a sell, which shouldn't really surprise you. As you can see, even though it has increased nicely, we're still quite poor, and as you can see, we're also been trading quite low here in the RSI. And even though for the month it is great, as you can see, overall it is still poor. So we're still laying quite low. So of course, not that great. Now, the technical rating on this is quite amazing. We have 5 strong buys, and their minimum is up by 45.9%, and then the max is up by 264%. Overall, the analyst rating this is quite great. Now, annual rating on annual earnings, I mean, EPS, as you can see, it's quite the same. They're reducing it, they're increasing it a bit this year actually by how much they're estimated to lose, and then next year a bit less. But overall, we don't have anything 2027, I mean, or 2028. And it's the same down here. As you can see, the revenue is estimated to increase, but then again, not that much. But of course, this is a company is going to lose money for quite a long time, and then eventually it's going to make a nice money because of their platform. That was my analysis of Rezolve AI. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see any more videos like this, please leave the company you want me to analyze in the comment section below.